You are made of 37 trillion little living Legos, and they're working right now to keep you alive. But what are they? Hey friend, welcome back to the wild world inside your body where we zoom into the invisible, powerful, and mind-blowing universe of cell biology. Because to understand life, you have to start small, really small. Every move you make, every breath you take, every time your heart beats or your stomach growls, that's cells at work. They're like tiny machines with superpowers. You're not just living, you're literally a living city of cells. So if you've ever asked, how does my body work? Or why do we get sick or heal? The answers begin with one word: cells. A cell is the smallest unit of life. Like a room with furniture, it has parts called organelles, each with a job. The nucleus is the boss. It holds your DNA, the instruction manual for everything about you. The mitochondria? That's the powerhouse. It takes the food you eat and turns it into energy. Ribosomes are the builders. They make proteins, which are like the tools and materials your body needs to function. And the cell membrane? It's like a security gate, deciding what comes in and what stays out. Think of it as a factory, where every part has a purpose, and when they all work together, you function. You've got about 200 types of cells in your body. Skin cells, blood cells, brain cells, muscle cells. All different, all specialized for a unique job. And it's not just humans. Plants have cells too, with some cool bonus features like chloroplast to capture sunlight and cell walls for structure and support. There are two main categories of cells. Prokaryotic cells are simple, small, and have no nucleus, like bacteria. Then we have eukaryotic cells, bigger, more complex with a nucleus. That's us humans, animals, plants. Now, here's the wild part. Cells don't just sit there. They eat, they breathe, they clean, they even reproduce. When your skin heals after a cut or a baby grows inside the womb, that's because of a process called mitosis. One cell divides into two, two into four, four into eight. Boom, growth. Even you started as just one cell. One. That's how powerful they are. But when cell division goes wrong, that's when diseases like cancer can begin. Cells divide out of control and stop following the rules. Here's why even crazier cells are smart. Some can detect damage and self-destruct to protect you. Others send emergency signals when you're injured or sick. Your immune cells? They have memories. They remember viruses and bacteria you've met before and fight them off faster the next time. In your brain, neurons form networks of thoughts, feelings, and memories. Yep, your personality, your dreams, your imagination, it's all built on cells. So, whether you're scrolling your phone, healing from a scratch, or simply dreaming at night, your cells are hard at work, unseen, unstoppable, and full of wonder. If that blew your mind just a little bit, hit that like button, subscribe for more cool biology breakdowns, and comment below. Which cell fact surprised you the most? Because the more you know about life, the more amazing it becomes.